Hello everyone, today in this video I'll be showing you guys how you can hide your Instagram followers list. Basically, I will teach you how you can prevent strangers from looking into your following or followers list. So for that you just need to open your Instagram account and open your account, your homepage. After that, click on the three lines on the top right corner. After that, go to settings and privacy. After going to settings and privacy, you will see these options. It says account privacy, and from here you just need to check this. After checking this, you will see that your account has been private and no one can see your following or followers list except if you want them to. So if you accept their following list, following request, and then they can see your followers and following list, or else uh, no one can see. So yeah, that's how you do it. Hope this video helpful. If this video is helpful, then please click the like and subscribe button. Thank you.